So, Operation Surprise My Husband. I put all the drinks in the cooler, so tomorrow morning I have to wake up before he's up and go get bags of ice to fill this up. He will be hanging out down there by the pool, and I will be sneaking around up here. Now I'm going to pick up his cake. I can't say this in front of my daughter because she can't keep secrets. Where are we going?
To Diva.
To what?
Diva.
Why would you say that?
Because I love Diva.
Yeah, but we're not going there.
But I want to go with Diva.
You don't call her Diva. What do you call her?
Hana Diva?
Yes, thank you. But we're not going there. We're going to pick up a pillow, okay?
I pick up a pillow for who?
For me. Okay, so I'm in the car. It says I'm about 27 minutes away to go pick up this pillow. Ice for this cooler. My husband just went to get a haircut, and I text his barber to let me know as soon as that man leaves, because whew, Lord, let me tell you, this has been a challenge, okay? And I'm never doing this again. So now I just gotta run out, grab some ice, and get this party started. This guy has no idea what's about to happen. We're gonna put him on the deck, but he's out there, so hide, okay? DJ Bobby! We gotta be quiet while we're doing this. No, hell no! He's sunbathing at a time that we need his ass to be inside the pool. Why are men so damn difficult? Everyone just pulled up. Stay. this is the big surprise. Here, here. You gotta cut it. No, we're gonna tell him, say, Alaha just fell in her makeup room and she can't get up. And I'm gonna be laying there like this. And see if he pays attention to me or to the computer.
You can't hold the camera, you gotta hide it.
No, I have to hold it. I was vlogging it and I fell.
Whenever you...
So to get him to see the computer, we're gonna say that I fell and I need his help. Downstairs. Is there a background? A Superman background here?
Oh yeah.
Y'all, whose computer looks like this? Whose computer looks like this?
Her door? Her studio door is locked. You can't get out.
Where's my son?
You're sneaky people. You're all sneaky people. And this one, we have a problem. Where's Marcia?
Like you walking into this bullshit.
Yes.
No!
Thank you.
Listen, I was asking what he wants for his birthday.
Yes. Not the desk is this way.
First of all, how much are they in computers?
So that's surprising.
No, you cannot.
I asked her.
No, you can't.
That's fine.
No,
She told me she wasn't going to get it.
No, you can't. Because you can't even get a MacBook for $1,500.
You gotta build your own.
Even if you build it, no, you can't. Jono's computer costs like $4,000. He built it. Nikai built it for him. Nikai's computer costs $4,000 and he built it with the best stuff. I don't want to spend $4,000 on a computer for his hobby. Come on.
I told her I wasn't going to buy it.
No one's gonna, they're gonna take one look at you and be like,
He was like a professional gamer. It's a business.
we're gonna lose money because of you. This is not a good investment. No, pick something, like something normal, please. Like a perfume or a cologne or something. Do you need sneakers? I'll get you sneakers. You need clothes? I'll get you some clothes. Gotcha!
Thank you very much.
downstairs playing video games. He has no idea that his next surprise is about to be here. It is 12:18 right now, and at 12:30, I have a deep tissue masseuse coming in to give him a massage. So stay tuned.
Hey, buddy. Oh, wow. How's it going?
Very good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good. You're a sneaky person.
How was your massage? Let me ask you one more time. I'm gonna break it back.
It was great. Now
What?
they told me why my haircut was rescheduled.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god! The whole world was on it.
I told her to cancel it. When she told me she was going at 2, I was like, cancel it.
This is how you do life. Right here, this right here is my baby. I'm in love. Sponsor me, Monster. Thank you. Have a great day.